Imagine sinking into your favorite armchair. As the day's weight slips away, a whisper-soft cashmere throw across your lap, a velvet bolster at your back, a chunky boucle blanket pooling at your feet. This is not decoration. This is tactile sanctuary. Layering is not stacking. It is intentional orchestration. Each piece works with the next to create depth, warmth, and dimension. One throw feels polite. 5 carefully chosen layers feel like luxury itself. Start with your foundation. Sofa upholstery, bed linens, area rugs, natural fibers, organic cotton, Belgian linen, hand-knotted wool. Add a mid-weight throw for the heart of the space. Then accent pillows in at least 3 textures. Finish with a lightweight cashmere coverlet, folded, draped, yours to rearrange. Textiles speak to every sense. Sight. Contrasting weaves create quiet visual drama. Sound. Soft layers absorb echoes, hushing a busy room. Temperature. Wool warms without trapping heat. Linen cools in summer. And scent. Artisan wool and linen carry the faint, clean aroma of mountain pastures and sun-dried fields. Choose artisan textiles woven slowly on traditional looms by makers who understand fiber, the way a winemaker understands grapes. They age beautifully. They develop character. They carry stories worth sharing. Your tactile sanctuary is waiting. Begin with one perfect throw, one irresistible pillow, one layer at a time. Visit the full guide at flatironhome.com.